With the Custom Video Builder, you can seamlessly integrate your visual assets with simpleshow's illustration library to create on-brand explainer videos at the click of a button. Start by uploading your custom illustrations and animations in the settings. They're automatically analyzed using artificial intelligence. When set to shared, these assets become available to your team. Once your story is written, simpleshow will automatically incorporate your custom illustrations into the video, and your images will appear whenever relevant keywords are mentioned in your video script. Whether it's detailed product visuals, industry-specific imagery, or unique backgrounds reflecting your work environment, the Custom Video Builder ensures your video's visual identity aligns with your brand. You can also set up custom characters that reflect your stakeholders to boost engagement. You can filter to see only your own visuals or mix them with simpleshow's extensive library. And with our one-click recoloring feature, you can seamlessly blend simpleshow images with your custom visuals. Managing your custom assets is simple. Imagine you've developed a new product, or your corporate design has changed. Simply update your image pool, adjust styles, and modify visibility settings to ensure your videos always reflect your latest brand guidelines. If your image library needs expanding, or you require entirely new visuals, the simpleshow team is ready to assist. Creating engaging videos with your organization's branding has never been easier.